So this is a longer answer question about hydrogen fuel cells. So it goes in this diagram, well, the diagram shows a hydrogen fuel cell. So describe in detail. The big point there is this is talking about describing it in detail, so not just briefly, about how a hydrogen fuel cell works. So the first thing that we can talk about is this: it's combining hydrogen and oxygen to go and produce water and electricity. They're like the key things. So the hydrogen enters from one direction, the oxygen enters from the other, right? So they're not entering on the same side. So the positively charged anode pulls an electron off of the hydrogen atoms. So then these electrons then go and move around the circuit towards the negatively charged cathode, right? So that's what's going and powering the battery of the car or whatever. So the oxygen atoms accept two of these electrons from the negative cathode. So the positively charged hydrogen ions, right, remember we need to refer to them as ions, move towards the negatively charged cathode because opposites attract. The negatively charged oxygen atoms move towards the positively charged anode, right, again, because opposites attract. So both of these ions move through the electrolyte where they combine to go and form water. Right, remember water is one of the big byproducts. So water is the only waste product. So remember at the cathode, your equation is H2 minus 2 electrons goes to form 2 positive hydrogen ions. The anode, we've got 4O minus plus 4 electrons goes to form 2 lots of O2. And your final equation is just there. So you can see that it goes and forms 2 molecules of water. Right, so that are some of the key things that you need to think about if you're answering a longer answer question on hydrogen fuel cells.